going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Tony Ronnie. Look, oh my gosh. Oh my freaking oh, I need a haircut so bad, y'all. Hold on. But just a little bit better. I can't be on YouTube looking crazy with my hair all natted up and dry, man. I can't be on YouTube like that, but
oh hell no!
Today I am making some roast beef for dinner. Got me a roast beef from Giant. It was actually on sale. It was actually for $23. And I got that bad boy for $17. Y'all know how I do. So let's kick this bad boy up for dinner. If you never made a roast beef before, what you want to do is you want to sear it up, okay? So you want to get your frying pan, and you want to get some olive oil, and you want to get this nice and hot, and then you're going to burn it. You're going to burn it on each side. Not burn it, but you know what I mean. So I'll show you in a minute. Alright guys, before we start, you want to go ahead and rinse that bad boy off, okay? Rinse it off. Then we're going to go ahead and pat dry it. Bam, get that dry. So I like to grab a fork, bam. And I like to go ahead and put some holes in that bad boy, like so. So once you get your holes in there, you're going to go ahead and add your olive oil. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Sprinkle that around. Alright, let's go ahead and get some seasoned oil. I love seasoned oil, but not a lot. You just want to get it on there. Now I'm making a mess. I'm going to have to clean this up. God damn it. I can't go a day without making a mess in the kitchen. I hate having to clean up an unnecessary mess. I really do. Let me get your seasoned oil. Get your seasoned oil on there, baby. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Once you put your seasoned oil on your, go ahead and throw it on there, man. Throw it in that pan. Y'all hear that sizzle? Oh yeah, let me turn that back up a little bit. So you want to go ahead and sear this for a couple of minutes. Then you're going to go ahead and flip that bad boy and do the next side, okay? If you this far in the video, go ahead and hit that like button, please. Hit that like button for your boy. I really, really appreciate it. Now we're going to go ahead and flip this bad boy and let that bad boy sear on that side. Look at that, y'all. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, for this next part, you're going to go ahead and get your water ready, man. Go ahead and add some chicken bouillon. Y'all know I stay using chicken bouillon. I absolutely love it. I love it, okay? Add some seasoned oil. And there I go adding some more chicken bouillon. I told y'all I love chicken bouillon. Add some butter. That's optional. And go ahead and take your roast beef. Make sure it's seared on all angles, the sides, even the sides, okay? Go ahead and take this out. Bam. And throw that bad boy in that water, okay? Water with the seasoning and butter and seasoned oil and chicken bouillon. Oh, and last but not least, you gotta go with some garlic powder, okay? I love garlic powder. I love garlic salt. I love all that. So we're gonna add some garlic powder. Good amount. So we're gonna go ahead and cover this up and let. Got the good old gravy, baby. Go ahead and throw a can of golden pork gravy in there. We just love pork gravy. Just a choice. You can use beef or turkey, but we like pork gravy. I don't know why. It was just a, you know. Go ahead and get your lid. Bam. Get that lid. Ooh, yeah. And we're going to let that bad boy cook for a couple of hours. Alright. Just want to show the people. Hey guys, I am finally done dinner. Let me show y'all how nice and tender this god darn it meat is. Look at that. You don't know what I did you don't know what I did when you was up there asleep when I started recording, so don't do it. Look at that, y'all. That meat is just falling apart. So let me go ahead and make my plate, man. Alright, y'all, let me go ahead and get this good old bite. Oh my god. This is gonna be so good. I know y'all see that gravy. Told y'all, pork gravy is the way to go. Let's get that in here. Okay, here we go. God damn it, come on. Here we go. Let me blow that off. Look at that, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good now. I'm calm. Shit, I'm calm. Let me get a bite. Let me get a bite. That is freaking good. All right, man. I'm going ahead and smash, man. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.